Good day everyone! Welcome to Future Chef's YouTube channel. I'm Ellaine, and for this video, I'm going to teach you 5 basic types of table skirting. The first one that I'm going to teach you is single pleats. To make the single pleats, you need to fold your table skirt in half and get the middle part. Then you're going to pin your table skirt into the center of the table. Then you're going to fold it like this to make the pleats and put a pin here. Then you're going to fold it towards the right side and put a pin here. Then you're going to fold it towards the left side and put a pin here. Then you're going to fold this towards the left side and put a pin here. And you're going to fold it again towards the right side and put a pin here. Then repeat the procedure until it's done. Each pleats should be equal sizes. Once it's done, it should look like this. The second that I'm going to teach you is knife pleats. To make the knife pleats, you're going to make the single pleats first. Then you're going to fold each pleat towards the right side and put a pin at the edge. Repeat it until it's done. Once it's done, it should look like this. The third one is the box pleats. To make the box pleats, you need to make the single pleats first. Then fold each pleats like this and put a pin on each end. Repeat this procedure until it's done. Once it's done, it should look like this. The fourth one is bow tie. To make the bow tie, you're going to make a single pleats first. Then, make it into a box pleats. Then you're going to get this and fold it together. Then, put a pin on the middle. Like this. Then, repeat this step until it's done. Once it's done, it should look like this. The last one that I'm going to teach you is clover pleats. To make the clover pleats, you're going to make a single pleats first. Then you're going to fold each pleats like this and put a pin on the middle. Then you're going to fold this like the first one we did. Then put a pin on the middle. Then you're going to do it again on the other side. Fold it like this and put a pin on the middle. Repeat this step until all pleats are done. Once it's done, it should look like this.